Here I am again in San Francisco Bay. This is Pier 39. Now, what's interesting about this is, as you can see out there, we have prison Alcatraz. If you've ever seen the movie, they escaped, but it also had horrible conditions. Even Al Capone was out there. So, that is exactly what the documentary on Quiet Rage is all about. Prison reform. So when you watch Quiet Rage, it's very important because they're trying to simulate a study. It's like an experiment. And obviously, an experiment gone bad because the people were traumatized after. He broke them into two groups, one, of course, being the prisoners, and the others being a guard. So you have an independent variable that is the role. You're either a guard or a prisoner. Those are the attributes. Then you have the dependent variable, which is the behavior. And what they were trying to see is what kind of behavior would happen by simulating this kind of prison study. But there's a lot of problems with the study. One, is it ethical? Two, did the principal researcher get too involved and he actually wanted the results? And three, I mean, come on. Can you really do something like that to human beings, even in a study? Damn liberals won't let us do that anymore. So remember, that's like a control, an experiment group in a way. In a way, what you're doing is creating this experiment in which the people are broken into those two groups, independent variable, role, the two attributes, guard, prisoner, and then the dependent variable is behavior. So please watch that video. It is very interesting. Well, it's not a video, it's a documentary. So what you'll need to know is how that's an experiment and the variables, independent, dependent variables, and the two attributes, prisoners and guards. So don't forget that, Quiet Rage. And we're going to discuss the ethical issues with that. Like, I wanted to simulate a study, Guantanamo Bay, with students where I tortured the students. But ASU wouldn't let me. Imagine that. Well, take care, everyone, and I hope you understand. I hope you enjoyed this somewhat interesting video. Look at all the sails out there. And can you imagine? I wanted to hit the sails, club them, and take their fur, but the woke San Francisco people won't let me. Unbelievable. Take care.